Here we have a 2021 Scarab 215 ID impact jet boat. Single axle trailer. This boat only has 58 hours on it, so very little use. Twin 150 Rotax motors. Does have the flip-flop seats in the back here. If you want to sit facing the back at a sandbar, just flip that back. That is a backrest there, or you could walk on it to go through into the boat so you're not stepping on the actual seats. U-shaped seating in the back. What I really like about this is that cutout there. Whoever's sitting in the corner, it's kind of a place to put their leg so they're not cramped up in there. It's a really comfortable configuration. Bolster captain's chairs, rated for 10 people. Tilt steering. Got your stereo control pad there. Stereo is actually in the glove box here, but you can control it at the dash. Phone chargers. Nice wide bow. Grab handles. Full walk-through windshield. In-floor storage. Storage under all the seats. There's your motors here. There is a battery switch. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's.